You ever notice how silence can feel louder than words? That quiet moment when she doesn't text back and your mind starts running wild. Did I say something wrong? Is she talking to someone else? Or worse, did she stop caring? Let me tell you something real. When a woman ignores you, it's not always rejection, it's communication in disguise. Sometimes her silence is testing your strength. Other times it's revealing your weakness. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why she's ignoring you and how to flip that silence into power. So stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never chase attention again. 1. You're trying too hard without realizing it. Let's start with something uncomfortable. Sometimes you're doing too much. Maybe you text her first every single time. Maybe you're always the one planning, calling, checking in. It doesn't feel wrong. You're just being nice, right? But here's the truth most men ignore. When you overgive, it starts to feel like begging. You're not leading from confidence, you're leading from fear. See, women pick up on energy faster than words. If your vibe says, I need your attention to feel good about myself, she'll pull back. It's not because she hates you, it's because she's losing respect. No woman wants to mother a man emotionally. She wants a man who can stand on his own 2 feet, who doesn't crumble when she pulls away. So what should you do? Pull your energy back. Stop checking if she's online. Stop rewriting that text. Go quiet, not out of anger, but out of calm, because real attraction grows in silence, not in pursuit. The paradox is this: when you stop chasing her, you become the mystery again. She starts to think, what's he doing? Why isn't he reaching out? That curiosity is what flips the power dynamic. So remember, next time she ignores you, don't react. Detach, breathe, focus on your life. That silence you give her, that's your greatest weapon. 2, she's testing your emotional control. Here's the part most men never get. Sometimes she's not ignoring you to push you away. She's ignoring you to see if you lose yourself. A woman might pull back just to see what you do when things don't go your way. Do you panic? Do you start double texting? Do you suddenly act different, trying to be extra funny, extra nice, extra available? If you do, you've failed her unspoken test, because women don't test you for fun. They test you for safety. They want to know if you can hold your ground when things get uncertain. If your emotions crumble over a late reply, how will you handle a real challenge in life? So instead of reacting, respond with presence. You stay calm, you stay kind, but not needy. You let her feel your absence. You let her notice your peace. Because when a woman realizes that her silence doesn't shake your spirit, something shifts. She sees your strength. And that strength, it's what reignites attraction faster than any long message ever could. Control your emotions. That's the difference between the man she ignores and the man she can't stop thinking about. 3, she's lost interest, and you need to accept it now. Let's be honest. Sometimes she's not testing you. She's not busy. She's just done. It hurts, but pretending won't fix it. If she's stopped replying for days, gives one-word answers, or seems cold, it's a clear signal. She's mentally checked out. And here's the hard truth. Once a woman emotionally disconnects, no amount of chasing can bring her back. You can't negotiate attraction. You can't talk your way into her heart once she's lost respect. So what do? You stop trying to convince her, because the moment you start proving your worth, you're already beneath her in the dynamic. Instead, you reclaim your worth. You remind yourself you were enough before she came along, and you'll be enough after she leaves. Here's the secret most men never realize. Walking away is what often brings her back, not because she suddenly loves you again, but because she sees you're not waiting in emotional prison. You've moved on, you've accepted, and that kind of peace is rare. When you stop chasing validation, you start attracting respect, and whether she returns or not, you win, because you've learned how to let go with dignity. 4, she's dealing with something you know nothing about. Not every silence is personal. Sometimes she's distant because life hit her hard. Maybe she's overwhelmed, maybe she's hurting, maybe she's just mentally tired. And here's where emotional maturity kicks in. You don't assume, you observe. When you stop making her behavior about you, you become emotionally intelligent. You realize that her silence might not be a rejection, it could be protection. She might not be ready to open up, and the best thing you can do is give her space without disappearing completely. Text once. Keep it light, kind, and simple, then let her be. If she values you, she'll return. If she doesn't, you'll know your place. Don't play mind games. Don't mirror silence with anger. Mirror it with peace. Because real connection isn't forced, it's felt. And sometimes your calm patience says more than 1,000 desperate texts ever could. 5. The ultimate power move. Let's wrap this up with the truth that flips the entire game. When a woman ignores you, it's not about her reaction, it's about your response. You can't control how she feels, you can't force attraction, but you can control your energy, your focus, your direction. Most men chase closure, but strong men chase growth. They use the silence as motivation. They hit the gym harder, they build their craft, they reconnect with purpose. Because when you're living fully, her absence becomes irrelevant. The moment she senses that shift, that you've stopped waiting and started living, she'll feel it. That's the irony. The less you care, the more powerful you become. The more powerful you become, the more she'll notice what she lost. So next time she ignores you, don't ask what's wrong with her. Ask, what can I improve in me? That mindset turns pain into progress, and that's how you win, not by chasing her attention, but by mastering your own. So what do you do when a woman ignores you? You don't chase, you don't beg, you rise, because silence isn't the end, it's a mirror. It shows you where your strength truly lies. If this video spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe for more real conversations like this, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, your value doesn't fade because someone stopped noticing it. You are the prize. Act like it.